Welcome to the Stress Free Naturally podcast. Find your groove naturally with your host, Ashlie Pappas.
Hello and welcome to Stress Free Naturally. I'm your host, Ashlie Pappas. Today's episode is going to focus on internal healing, whether it be physical, emotional, or spiritual. Our mind plays a powerful part in how our body functions. Everything from the speed of how we heal emotionally to how we digest our food and process it. About 6 years ago, my autonomic nervous system started randomly shutting down and malfunctioning. Meditation has been a very powerful tool throughout the entire process, even helping me get a diagnosis faster by being able to be more in touch and explain what was going on with my body in more detail than I would have been otherwise able to. It's helped me in areas ranging all the way from the diagnosis process to battling pain, the digestive upset, and my body's inability sometimes to regulate normal functions. It's also gotten me through some painful emotional and spiritual times of my life, being able to have faith, let go, and see the bigger picture. And so I'm really excited to share this meditation with you today. I think all of us have some sort of healing that we can benefit from. So before we begin, find a place where you can be quiet, free from distraction, and comfortable for the duration of your meditation. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose, allowing the breath to travel all the way down to the very bottom of your belly as it expands. And then slowly releasing the breath through your mouth, allowing yourself to breathe at your own natural rhythm, encouraging each breath to become a little bit slower and to travel down a little bit deeper. Allowing each breath to wash through your mind and soothe your body. Letting go of any thoughts, letting go of any tension, letting go of any worries, or anything that is no longer serving you. And ask yourself, where do I need to heal? Allowing yourself to listen to your inner answer. Noticing any physical indications that might come up. Noticing any thoughts, emotional or spiritual indicators that might come to the forefront of your mind. If the indicator is something that doesn't have a physical location in your body, turn your focus even deeper inward and notice where this indication is coming from within you. taking a deep breath into that area and repeating, I give you permission to heal. Imagining a white and healing light enveloping that area. Breathing again into that area and repeating, I give you permission to heal. Noticing the light becoming a little bit brighter, a little bit stronger. As you intentionally allow that area to engage in the healing process. I allow you to heal. I allow you to heal. Breathing in and repeating, I allow you to heal. And now as you exhale, repeat, I let go of anything standing in the way of healing. Imagining a dark, black cloud escaping from your lips with your breath. Exhaling, I let go of anything standing in the way of the healing process. Exhaling, I let go of anything standing in the way of the healing process. I let go of anything standing in the way of the healing process. I let go of anything standing in the way of the healing process. Take a deep breath and bring your shoulders forwards and backwards and gently wiggle your fingers and toes, bringing awareness back into your body. When you're ready, open your eyes. I love using this meditation when I feel like I need to be more in tune with my body, and I know that there's a healing process that needs to happen. If you've enjoyed this meditation, a huge and helpful action that you can take is making sure to leave a short review, either in iTunes or in the Alexa skill store, and a rating of 4 stars or above. If you ever have a suggestion for a topic for an episode, please drop us a line at hello@stressfreenaturally.com. Thank you so much for joining me today. Namaste.
This has been a Calm Clear Now Network production. Executive producer Shell Hamilton. To discover more meditation, visualization, and affirmation podcasts like this one, visit calmclearnow.com.